welcome back. Hey guys, I decided to try out these Lash contour extensions by Kiss. I had already opened them up because I was trying to do them this morning, but the glue that came with it ain't come out. So all that time me being nervous about doing my extensions for the first time, because normally I wear strips and that's if I can get them on properly. But yeah, look, the little glue ain't coming out. I took the stopper out. There's some glue in there, but it wasn't like coming out. Like you would have to like really dig, and I really just didn't want to do that. So when I went to Ulta earlier, I ended up getting this the Foscara glue, or bond type thing. It did come with the spoolie, and it also came with the Kiss tweezers. So I'm just gonna go ahead and attempt to put these on myself. This is my first time doing this, so I hope I don't fail too much. I watched a video earlier where this girl did 3 mediums, I believe, and then she did 4 shorts, if I'm not mistaken. So we're gonna try it out, or we're gonna try it out. So let's see if I know what I'm doing. Okay, I'm hoping I did it right. You see how my eyes is like tearing up. Child, this is not for the faint. Let's see if I know what I'm doing, child. Okay, so I got one eye done. I'm proud of myself. Look at that. Okay, so this is the before. This is nothing, naked, empty. I have a little lashes. I have some lashes. You know, sometimes they come out a little bit depending on what mascara I use. And then you see these. Now I haven't sealed them yet, so that looks pretty good. Leah, come here. Come here. I'm gonna ask my niece. She was just in here. I'm gonna let her see before the... I'm so proud of myself. You're recording. I'm recording, just so you know.
I know, I was dancing in your background.
No, I wasn't recording before.
Oh.
Now I'm recording. So you was doing that for nothing. Yeah. I know. All your good work. Gonna do it again while I'm recording? My niece. Just doing too much. All right. What you think? See? Period. Okay, so now...
I told you mine was gonna come on.
It is for real. Gosh, what do you do with it?
In my pocket.
Well, put some more on. Well, hold on. Let me seal this one side.
I don't know why mine off. Hold on. The glue off.
You need to blow your nose. You need some medicine. So I'm supposed to put this... So I'm supposed to put the seal underneath?
On top of it.
Oh, on top. See, good thing I asked.
Oh my goodness. It's a tornado in your bathroom.
It's you. See, she's always hurting herself. She's always doing something. It's time for her to go to bed. I'm finna take her. That's like a whole 24, 48 hours from now. Like.
But it's just like, ugh. Why is it here already?
I don't know, sweetie. But I'm ready for y'all to go to school. I got the seal on my lashes. Okay, I hope I did it right. But, okay, I'm so proud of myself. Now I just gotta make sure I don't sleep on my face. I don't know how many I did. I think I did like 4 mediums and 4 shorts. I just lost track after a while. Once I got to the shorts, I was just adding them. All right, so now it's time to use the bond for the other eye. So again, this is before, this is afterwards. Pretty good. I'm pretty proud of myself. my first ever lash extension on myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and I'll be back so I can show you the finished look. All right, guys, so I'm back. So this is the full look. My niece said they're cute, and you said they're cute. Okay, she said it was cute. So there you go. Clock it. All right, so clock it. So we're gonna add the seal to this one. I had a little struggle doing the left side because I felt very something like my brain stopped working when I was on the left side. So I don't think I felt them. I mean, they look the same. I don't know. I don't care at this point. This is my first time doing it. I feel like I did pretty good for my first time. So we're going to leave it as that. So I'm going to go ahead and put the seal inside the lash line. And we're going to just pray to Jesus that this give me 5 days.
Do say give 5 days.
You know, just give me a little bit of 5 days, and we're gonna be good. I'm gonna go ahead and order me some clusters from Amazon. If you wanna be somebody, if you wanna go somewhere, get my Lauryn Hill.
No, it's time for bed.
Okay, it's time for you to go to bed, your sniffle self. Yep. All right, so yep, this is it. I'm okay, I did that. Look at me. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, I did that. Okay. Not bad, not bad. Okay. Put a little lip gloss for y'all. I should have put a little lip gloss for y'all. My bad. Let me. A little dry. No, not too much. Not too much, sis. Not too much. Not too much. Stay over there.
Oh my gosh.
You see how my whole niece is trying to comfort me? It's really disrespectful. I'm gonna send her home packing.
I'm not disrespectful.
Okay.
Did you
It's a little cute.
Disrespectful?
It's a little cute. Don't worry about my little nightgown. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about it. Not too much. Not too much. Okay, but
that's too much.
Okay. All right. I like. I think I'm giving. I think he's giving. Okay.
My chain.
See, she could be sitting up, and then next thing you know, she hurt herself. She abused herself. It's just
my chain. It just clocked me in my tooth.
All right, guys. Thanks for coming, tuning in. She's saying clock it. That's what's up. Thanks for tuning in, watching me do my lashes extensions for the first time. I'm very proud of myself. Yes. It is 1:30 in the morning. I was going to do my nails, but I ain't going to do my nails. I'm going to wait till there's daylight outside for that. So I'm going to let her finish her lashes. And and that's all we're going to do. This clothes that I got on my bed that I was going to hang up, they're going to go on a chair until tomorrow probably. Unless I can get her to hang it up for me. See? It's these kids, man. It's these kids. It's these kids. God, I don't like ugly, bro. You gotta stop. These baby kids. Oh my gosh.
I know baby.
These baby kids. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. Well, I'll talk to you guys later. Until next time.